How to make transparent header in Shopify. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can add a transparent header in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget, you're gonna be able to find the website and sign up links of shopify.com in the description of this video. So first of all, you must go into your Shopify account, log in there, and go into the online store. You are not gonna add the transparent header from the editor. You must go into the three dots and to edit code. There's where you have to add like a code, so you're gonna have your transparent header. By now, I'm going to close all this. I'm going into assets, the folder, and now we're gonna click into base.css. And we're gonna obtain this code. What we must do is scroll down all this code. So here you must find the last bracket, and now I'm gonna click enter here to add some more spaces, and you must add the following code. So this is set dot header wrapper. You must open your bracket, background none, and the border is gonna be none too. You must close your bracket. I'm going to erase these spaces, and that's the code you must add in order to have a transparent header in Shopify. All you must do is click on save, and that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.